Recently, my wife and I were out in the world, either at the fair or on a hike. We wanted to take a beverage with us and pulled out one of our handy dandy little belt clips. This snaps around a belt loop. This goes around the bottle. This goes around a belt loop. This goes around the top of the bottle. And once you connect it, it hangs off of your belt loop or your belt very easily, and you can carry it around. The bottle we had with us was not a typical water bottle. It was a much larger bottle, and that just doesn't fit. Not going to work no matter how much you stretch it. So I had to come up with something else. So I reached into my pocket and pulled out a couple of Ranger bands and a carabiner, and quickly put a bottle clip together. Obviously the carabiner is to clip onto your belt or your belt loop, and these guys were to go around the top of the bottle. Now, to demonstrate, this can stretch and easily get snug around the neck of the bottle. It's stiff enough that, snug enough that it can be difficult to get off. But instead of just looping this through, which you could definitely do, but then the bottle's going to interfere with the neck, what I did was take the smaller band and go through the bigger band. So this will go around the neck, and then these two loops I put through the carabiner. And you're saying to yourself, it seems like an awful lot of work. Just buy a drink at the fair. We may not have been at the fair. We may have been in the woods, and there aren't drink machines in the woods. So with this, we just take the larger, or the one that's not attached to the carabiner, put it around the neck, and now you can very easily attach that to your belt. And even full, that bottle's not going to go anywhere, regardless of how bouncy you are up the trail or the stairs or on a Ferris wheel. Not going to do a Ferris wheel, or even a roller coaster. At the fair, anyway. So a neat little trick, a couple of Ranger bands and a carabiner. And as a reminder, Ranger bands are bicycle inner tube strips. You can buy them off of that infamous shopping website. These are heavier duty than a regular rubber band. Rubber bands are going to stretch a bit more, but if you were to take one and double it up, it might get snug enough for you to put this together. Necessity, the mother of invention. Not that I'm really inventing anything, but it solved the problem. So be creative. Go do something outside. We did. We had fun. I think we ended up very dusty and very full, and full of probably fried food. Or we came back with a schnoz full of allergens and spent the next couple of days coughing and blowing our nose. Either way, we were outside having fun. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.
Too many hobbies, not enough time.
It's a theme song, y'all.